Hello, I'm Claudia Orengo from Heartmade, and in this video tutorial I want to explain you another way that you can generate passive income from digital products even if you don't have any products yet for sale. So, as you may know, I have a full course in which I teach you everything on how to start selling your own digital products. That's the beginner's guide to passive income, and you are more than welcome to join the course and learn everything you need to know to start selling your own products there. But in this case, I want to explain you how you can start making money without even creating the products. So if you are creative, you may know Pinterest and you may love just hanging around Pinterest, looking for things and creating boards and sharing and saving what you like. This happened to me many years ago. I started kind of being addicted with Pinterest, and now I use Pinterest for many reasons. I use Pinterest as a business tool, and one of the techniques that I use is sharing products there through an affiliate link and getting, if somebody purchases, I get a commission and I earn money thanks to my sale. So let me explain you a little bit more how does this work. There are some of the websites where you can sell your products. So here we have, for example, Creative Market, that you also have the option to join as an affiliate. You simply need to go to the website and find the affiliate link. I guess it's here here. You see, it's always on the footer. So search for the websites that there are many digital products, and usually you would like to purchase those products or you would like to sell there. And look for this, because usually there are these affiliate partner programs. So all you have to do is apply there, and they will ask you a couple of questions, but it's easy to join. And then once you have joined, even if you don't have any products on your own store, or even if you don't get accepted as a shop owner, because lately this is happening, you can still make money through their website thanks to the affiliates. So what I do is, when you arrive here on Creative Market and you are on the affiliate program, you can open any product you like, and inside you will find a link that automatically is generated for you as an affiliate. So you can copy here the link or directly save it on Pinterest, and you can click here and it will generate for you the pin that you need. I did not log in, but if you are logged in, it will generate the pin and you can save it. And that's the technique that I use. You can even spend only 5 minutes doing this, scrolling around and sharing pins on Pinterest. Or if you have a big audience, or if you have an email list, you can also copy those links and send them to your list. At the end, it's not only about making money, but usually are things that you love and you like sharing, or that they can help your audience. So imagine me as a graphic designer. If somebody comes to me and they ask me for branding, but they cannot pay my services, if there is like a package here of logos or something that I can refer them to, I will happily share the link. And if they purchase, I will earn a commission. So I'm gonna show you on the back end how does this look. Here are the total sales I did since I joined Creative Market, and these are only from commissions. So from these referrals you earn really just a little bit, but you can see this is my product, then I earn much more. But if you find here this is from another person, and because it was a little bit higher, then I earn $9.60. But there are other products that maybe from 14 I earn only $2. But it's still money that you can easily generate. And I'm not creating most of these products. Some of them, yes, are my products and I'm sharing them. And if you purchase my products through my affiliate link, then I earn a little bit more than I would earn if I wasn't sharing it through the affiliate link. But as you can see, you can start making money from others. So just the technique is just look for products that you love, share them. The easiest way is on Pinterest, because then anybody can like find it and pin it again. And even if the others repin it, because you created the first pin with this link, even if it's shared by other people and then they click, it will still come to you because it's your link. So it's a great way to start with passive income. And meanwhile, while you do this, you can create your own products and sell your products, which I guess it's what you like as a creator. And then I'm going to show you how in design bundles you can do the same. So you can apply again as an affiliate and then open any of the products. Let's see this bundle. And down here you will have your affiliate link, and you have the buttons to share in these social media platforms. But again, you can take the link and you can share it with your newsletter or even on your website. Imagine you can create like weekly posts or monthly posts of inspiration, and all you have to say is, hey, these are affiliate links, so I may earn a commission if you purchase through my link. But if you are just sharing things that you like, or you have even tried and you know who designed this, then there should not be no problem for people to believe you and to trust in your knowledge in your taste. Because if they are following you, it's because they like your style, your taste. So it's a great way. You are not doing anything illegal. You're helping the other creators make more sales, and because you are referring people, you are earning a little bit of the commission. So I hope you found this video useful, and I encourage you to start with passive income as soon as you can. This is what's been saving me since the beginning. During the quarantine and the COVID, I lost most of my clients because I have a wedding business and the weddings stopped. But thanks to having my digital products, and you can learn everything how I did it on that course, but thanks to having that and the affiliate links and everything that I had set up as passive, I'm still earning money and I'm still able to continue living from my own business. So that's why I like sharing all these tips with you. So let me know in the comments if you found this helpful, if you liked it, and feel free to ask me any questions. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you want to know more, just join my newsletter and I'll be happy to send you more free tips.